Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike, behind the camera is Jay. We have this lovely, I'm a big fan of these. When these first came out, I was like, that is a good looking car. AWD M-sport. This is a nice one. Black grills on it from factory, and it has the option black 20-inch wheel. I don't know actually what it's called, but it looks very similar to what they put on the M2 comps and that sort of stuff. So very fitting looking wheel. So it's been in for Eibach springs, 15mm spacers front and rear, and the Maxton full round body kit in gloss black. Matches the mirrors, the grills, the wheels. What a car. Good value for money. This one's actually up for sale for Centurion. Their information is below. In fact, they've actually sent us a blue one. They saw the outcome of this one. They're going to send us a blue one. So do we do a future vlog on that one? Probably not. But anyway, you've got this vlog here. Let us know what you think of these. Are these good value? Are they better looking than the 4 Series? Obviously, you've got the normal size BMW grills. Or were they too expensive to start with? I think this one's going to be up for early 50s, this car. But information down below where to buy it from. But I'll let Jay do a bit of a walk round on this car. But everyone in the office is blown away by its sunset orange, which is normally an M2 comp colour, M140 Shadow Edition colour, and of course the M240s. So with the black bits on it, it's quite nice. And also this car, before it was sent to us, was sent around the corner for some extra paintwork by the guys at Colourcraft. So it's had the diffuser, instead of grey, painted body colour. Now I thought it'd be better black, so let me know what you think below. Jay thinks it looks better obviously in the body colour. I think it looked better black, but they've gone for body colour. So let us know what you think of this lovely 840D. As it's nearly Christmas, as my Costa coffee cup keeps telling me, don't forget we offer a full range of hoodies in various sizes, beanie hats, face masks and t-shirts. Shop information is down below on where to buy. Thanks a lot.